So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and finish removing the triple tree off the forks, because I've got my work cut out for me on these. They're in pretty fair condition, but I still need to replace the bearings for the neck, and then I'm going to finish cleaning the upper and lower supports. I'm gonna clean those up, prime those, and then I'm gonna end up painting those to match. The same thing I'm gonna do with the swing arm. We'll clean it up and then prime that and paint that as well. It's gonna be matte black. The forks, I've noticed, I think they've got a little bit of a leak around the forks. So we'll keep an eye on that, but I might have to repack those. Again, we'll hit this with like maybe some Scotch-Brite, try to clean up some of this corrosion on them, and then we'll prime those and paint those as well. I'm gonna do some research. They may not be matte black. I could do them in gloss. They might actually look pretty good in gloss. Actually, swing arm would look good in gloss.
Discard! Discard! Discard!